Hi, I'm Mike Hancock, and today I want to answer the question, will my car insurance company raise my rates when I make a claim? Luckily in Florida, we have an actual statute, a law, 626.9541 subsection O, which actually makes it illegal for your car insurance company to raise your rates after you make a claim unless they have, in good faith, determined that you substantially caused the accident. So if you were rear-ended, or if someone else was determined to be at fault, or if you were just 50% at fault, it is illegal for your insurance company to raise your rates as a result of you making a claim. And there's an actual specific statute that protects Floridians in this situation. If you have any more questions regarding this or any other legal issue, please give me a call, Mike Hancock at Hancock Injury Attorneys, and I'd be happy to answer them.